Alright, welcome back to Rim Racing. This is Hunter here. We got a kill switch problem on a yz250. Kill switch does not work, but we'll be replacing it today, doing a tutorial how to replace a yz250 kill switch. Is to take your gas cap cover off, then take your air box cover off, like this. This off. Out. Here's your gas cap. Set the number plate off. It's going to be one 8mm on the top, and then it should slide out. Off now. The next step is to remove these ties right here. They lift up from this front tab. Just lift and pull, and they come off. And then once you get the ties off, you can go ahead and remove the Phillips head that's right up under there. Now ours is a little rounded out, but we'll get it out and move on to the next step. Your kill switch is to remove it from the frame right here, push down, and that clip comes up. Then the male end is connected into the female, so you must lift that up, then pull. Like that. Let's see. Don't pull, comes off. And we had a Moose Racing one that was kind of a universal kill switch because he did not want to pay 80 bucks for an OEM one. So I cut it and put butt connectors and heat shrinked over it so water really wouldn't get in there. So I'm going to show y'all how to put your kill switch back together. You go ahead and slide this on like so. Slide it on and just go ahead and route the cable how you want it. Just follow the generic cables back through that clip, and then it should just route itself right here. You take this right here, you plug it back in like that, clicks in, and then you start putting it back on. Everything's back together. Show you in a little bit. So it works. Pretty easy, pretty simple, not much to it.